Today I'm unboxing some Japanese collectibles straight from Japan. Stick around to the end where I'll show you some additional content that I received. Stay tuned. Alright, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys tuning in, subscribing. If you haven't, please like. Just an A86 enthusiast. Love the car culture. Basically collecting everything that has to do with Initial D, A86 related products, anything from Japan. Earlier today, picked up this nice T2 Volkswagen, what they call these, like bus, HKS Ford Ranger truck. But mainly today what I wanted to do was do an unboxing. I had purchased some stuff online. Normally where I get my stuff is either from Stateside Garage or eBay. There's a couple other new places that I found, other websites. I think it was this one. What is this one? This one is from Hobby Racing, which I thought was pretty cool. I'll start off with this one since I'm talking about it. Hobby Racing, I believe, is from Hong Kong or possibly Japan. I'm not too sure. But this pickup is actually really nice. It's a Takumi figure in front of the 8.6. And I'll unbox it in just a second, but that's the first one. Second one, I don't remember what this is. Oh yeah, that's right. I got this off of eBay. I figured I'd hang it up here. It's another Initial D item. Oh, this is very nice. It says, "Don't miss it, Initial D, Project D." I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a cool little clock. Very cool. And alright, put that there. And I got some DVDs. So again, my idol, Keiichi Tsuchiya. I'll watch in a few, but D1 racer, drifter, the Drift King. Nice little pickup here. That's another thing that I want to do, is collect anything Keiichi Tsuchiya related items. This guy is the man. I was lucky enough to meet him in Wall, New Jersey for this exhibition that they had out here in the US, which was nice. So that's why I became fascinated with this guy. You know, to actually see him drift in real life. I know we all enthusiasts hear about him and we kind of mimic his driving techniques, but he is basically like the godfather of drifting. Another D1, or is it D-Dog? Oh, D-Dog. D-Dog. Alright, let's open this one. Alright, let's see this thing. Oh yeah, this is nice. Oh, this is really nice. It's very detailed, but to a cartoonish detail, if you know what I mean. Sega 2003. I know there's other ones. I believe there's a RX-7 one. There's one of the girls with the blue S13. Here's the other item. Better view of it. Don't miss it. Oh, this is beautiful. It's the size of your palm, which is great if like maybe for like a nice desktop or obviously somewhere close by. Can't really tell the time from a distance, but this is great. This is a better look of the Volkswagen T2 pickup. Again, the HKS. So Nihabi Racing, this is where I got one of the items. It's something nice to count. D-Dogs. Very cool pickup. I'll put that in my collection for Japanese drifting. Another item that I wanted to show you guys. These were additional pickups that I received lately. I'm not sure what this says, but this Levin is amazing. Got that. The Toyota 11 Toronto. Again, another 86 magazine. This front cover is just spectacular. '86 11 Toronto, another magazine. My goal is to collect as much '86 stuff. I mean, obviously I own one, so it's nice to be able to have or be part of this culture and drive it. Obviously I can't drive it now because it's not fully complete, but once I do start driving it, you know, everything related to it in my I guess you could say man cave or whatnot, it's pretty cool. Stay tuned for more. Keep car culture alive. Till next time, guys. Thank you for watching.